Things that can spoil your moving day. Moving day is here. But wait, things can quickly go wrong if you're not prepared. Let's talk about the common things that can spoil your moving day and how to avoid them. Poor packing can lead to big problems. One major issue: poor packing. Weak boxes or overstuffed ones can break, damaging your belongings. Use sturdy boxes and pack everything securely. Don't forget to label them, too. This will save you loads of time when unpacking. Running out of time. Running out of time is another big problem. Packing always takes longer than you expect. Start early and tackle one room at a time. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Forgetting to plan ahead. Not planning ahead can ruin your day. Book your movers, arrange transportation, and confirm everything in advance. Surprises are fun, but not on moving day. Bad weather can be a spoiler. Weather can turn your move into a nightmare. Check the forecast and have waterproof materials ready. If it's hot, stay hydrated and take breaks. Overloading your truck. Overloading your truck can lead to multiple trips, or worse, damage to your items. Make sure to choose a truck size that fits your needs, or consult with your movers for recommendations. Forgetting essentials. Don't forget your moving day essentials. Pack a separate bag with snacks, chargers, important documents, and a first aid kit. You'll thank yourself later. Stress and lack of communication. Stress and miscommunication can make moving day unpleasant. Stay calm, delegate tasks, and work as a team. Communication is key to a smooth move. Now that you know what to avoid, you're ready to tackle moving day like a pro. Need help? Call us today for a stress-free move. Thanks for watching, and happy moving.